Hey everybody, Mark Lewis Wagner here and Graffiti Wars. I am packing up to go to New Mexico where I spend half the year, and I'm leaving tomorrow. And I just had open studios, and so that's what my life's like these days. I'm finishing my teaching semester tonight, and over let's see, yesterday. Could that have been yesterday? Yeah, yesterday I finished working with 6,000 elementary school kids with Drawing on Earth, my nonprofit, and my kid Zoe was part of that a lot. And wow, I had so much more energy, and I had so much just having that level of support and help. And they're great. Like we tag teamed a lot. So Open Studios was Clayton's work, the guys in the other building. So yeah, I'm packing my horse and it's just a quick Graffiti Wars check-in. So I've taken all my Graffiti War stuff with me. There's a whole pile of paintings, Graffiti War paintings there on the ground. And we'll continue this great mystery. So thanks again for being a part of this journey. Be well.